Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday slammed the central government over the shortage of oxygen and lack of ICU beds amid rising coronavirus cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a series of high-level meetings on Friday to review the COVID-19 situation in the country. 13 COVID-19 patients on early Friday morning died in a fire that broke out at a hospital in Vasai Vihar, Palghar district of Maharashtra. The COVID-19 variant contributing to a surge in coronavirus cases in India has been detected in Belgium in a group of Indian students who arrived from Paris, Belgian authorities said on Thursday. The Telangana High Court on Thursday directed the state government to immediately sanction financial assistance to a former NSG commando who was badly injured in the 2016 Pathankot air-based terror attack so that he can construct a house. A day after the Indian Council of Medical Research announced the Covaxin fight, the so-called double mutant B.1.617, the city-based Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology said on Thursday that the Covishield vaccine to protect people from the new mutant. With the Home Ministry on Thursday designating Indo-Tibetan Border Police as the nodal force for reoperationalizing the Sardar Patel COVID Care Center at Chhatarpur with 500 oxygenated beds, the ITBP hoped to deploy around 500 personnel, include medical officers and paramedical staffs, to have the facility up and running in less than 3 days. Rumors regarding the death of former Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan went viral late Thursday night but were quickly refuted by her staff. The rumors began swirling around 11 p.m. and some news channel even began putting out her death as breaking news without confirming it. Widow Neeta Gudambe broke convention on Wednesday when she performed the final rites of her 100-year-old mother-in-law. With relatives unable to make it due to COVID restrictions, the 55-year-old lit the funeral pyre with the Gram Panchayat member guide. Riding on the success of his OTT shows and films, Manoj Bajpayee is now busy shooting for his next in Uttarakhand. The actor, who turns a year older today, will be celebrating his birthday in the hills once again.